Winter School is a program where you can come as a high school student, get a taste of university life. A lot of our kids maybe come from families that have never been to university. It's just opening up a space for them that they may have never thought of.
I think Winter School definitely helps with getting into uni. I think it helps you get connected with the IERC here. Moving far away from home, it's good to have connections here to feel confident with starting uni, even applying for uni, having the confidence to be able to do that.
Absolutely come to Winter School. It's a really good taste of university and it builds their confidence and they get to find their passion and what is going to make them happy.
It's given me a lot of insight on where and what to do. It's just given me more reason to actually come to uni coming here. I have made a couple friends along the way, which has been good, and being able to go in the library as well, that's been a good resource, and learning how to use that system has been really good.
I feel like this has influenced my choice, 100%. You know, I come from a small town. These opportunities don't come to me as often. I want to be proud of my education, you know, representation too for Indigenous women. You know, this is a really good opportunity to learn what uni life is. I know there's pathways and support through the Indigenous Centre. That's one thing I definitely noticed. They were all lovely, they were all really supportive. When I come here the first day, people were calling me sissy, sister. I feel like there'd be a really good support system.
The point of the Winter School is not so much learning the content of the discipline they're in, rather it's about building the confidence to be good learners and to know how to learn at university. And I think by the end of the 5 days, the students leave the program feeling like they can come here and transition more smoothly into the university atmosphere.
It is just gaining confidence, getting to know the IELC, like the supports that are here. They can talk to people here. There's all the people here to support them. Everyone wants them to do well.
You need to experience something like this at least once in your life. It's an awesome experience.
It is really fun. The people you meet are really nice. Choose something that might be similar or completely out of your comfort zone because you never know what might be in that career path or uni course that you could go into.
They go home knowing that they can come to JCU and they can study what they want to and they can succeed at it.